Hi, my name's Jack. I'm a web developer based here in Whitby on the Yorkshire coast. And in the autumn, I'm going to be running a 5-week course in partnership with the Growth Hub looking at digital transformation in tourism. It's going to be a really practical course looking at all kinds of things from website content and structure through to SEO, through to email marketing, email funnels and automations. We're going to look at social media marketing. We're going to pay attention to branding and design, graphics, and we're going to think about how all of this can impact positively your customer's journey as they interact with your business, as they become a customer, and then afterwards so that you can keep them coming back year in, year out. It's going to be a really practical course filled with lots of hints and tips and practical takeaways. And between each session, I'm going to provide each business with an hour's dedicated one-to-one time where I can really work with you to help you implement the things that we've been talking about within the sessions. The first session is going to be an in-person session here in Whitby, so that we can get together and talk about our businesses and share some of our own insights and experiences. The 3 sessions in the middle will all be online via Zoom, and the final session will again be an in-person session here in Whitby. I really hope you'll look at the information below, that you'll click the link or fill in the form to sign up to find out more and to register for the course. And I look forward to finding out more about your business, to hearing about how you're implementing digital technologies and working out how we can work together to help you transform your business through digital technology so that ultimately you can provide an amazing experience for your customers that will keep them coming back for more. I look forward to working with you soon.